Hey guys, I'm just showing you this Anker Series 3 power strip since I had to replace my older one. As you can see, the packaging is very minimal. Just one sticker on the top, opens up. I like the blue box with white. You open it up, there's a little baggie and the product is inside. Tear that bag open. Take out the unit. And you can see that there it is. You have this little paper that tells you so many different things of the charging and the plugs and everything that you gotta know how well it will charge or how fast, depending on what plugs are plugged in. It gives you suggestions and things to follow if you have to plug everything in. You have mounting screws if you want to screw it onto the wall and hang it if you want to. I'm not planning on using those. What I do like is that it does have a strap to it. It has a 6-feed cord, I believe. It has the surge protector and its ground protection as well. Has 12 power plugs, 2 type A USBs and one USB type C.